Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by isolating variables. Unplug every USB peripheral except the problem keyboard and mouse, then switch ports. If nothing responds, attach a different working USB device to confirm power. Once done, enable the on-screen keyboard from the ease of access icon so you can type passwords and navigate. Make sure you have admin credentials and a prepared USB recovery drive. These let you access advanced startup if drivers need reinstalling. This gets you into Windows or into recovery without guessing. Now you address drivers and power management. Use the on-screen keyboard to press Win plus X, Open Device Manager, then expand Human Interface Devices and Universal Serial Bus Controllers. Uninstall any unknown, disabled, or duplicate HID and USB root hub entries. After that, fully power down the PC, wait 30 seconds, then boot. Windows will automatically reinstall drivers. Make sure USB Selective Suspend is disabled in Power Options, and if issues persist, update the motherboard BIOS and USB controller drivers from the manufacturer. Finish by using Advanced Startup for deeper recovery. From Settings, right arrow Recovery, choose Restart Now, then troubleshoot right arrow Advanced Options. Run Startup Repair first, and if that fails, use System Restore or Safe Mode to remove recent driver updates. Once in Safe Mode, reinstall official drivers. If nothing fixes it, try a powered USB hub or PS/2 adapter to bypass hub power limits, and inspect motherboard USB headers for damage. Quick tip: if keyboards work in BIOS but
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.